Okay, filing a report here. It's about 3:15 p.m. on Sunday, whatever the hell the day is, the day that Igor is here. It's probably about 50 miles to our south. Things are getting a bit more interesting. We have Marley awake. That's kind of interesting. He's been asleep for a long time. Maybe able to hear some of the noises. We are getting water now coming up through the doors on both sides. It's kind of hard to see what's going on here, but I'm sure you can hear it. So I will open the front door. We're definitely getting some gusts, probably near 100 miles per hour up here on the hill. Be able to hear this right away when I open the door. Check that scene out. Keep the lens from getting too crazy. So, you can see it's picking up. And alright, because it's daylight, the power's been out about an hour and a half. I think the power lights go down. It's going to get a little less convenient for me, but that's where we're at the moment. I'll try to open the sliding glass door here to get an idea of how much not fun that is. This will have to be quick. Not as bad as it was a few minutes ago, actually. See over there, my neighbor lost some of his tree. Switch to the opposite direction.